How to quickly copy phone number to clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on phone app. Now here's a click on recent. So after click on recent, so if you want to quickly copy phone number, so just click and hold on number and click on copy phone number. So after click on copy phone number, you will see copy to clipboard. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on Notes app. Now here, so click on file and you will see just click and hold on screen and click on paste. You will see number is paste. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can quickly copy phone number to clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.